This week in England, as in many other countries around the world, is back to school week for millions of children. I'm standing in front of a school in Syria. Unfortunately, for many Syrian children, it is still not time to go back to school. Syria Relief is on the ground inside Syria, managing a very large education program. More than Today we are in one of the many camps for displaced Syrian, and we are inaugurating our school in the camp. So this is a Syria Relief project for a primary school in these camps for displaced family. These children here haven't received education for many years.
أنا نجم من مخيم المحمود لي، واليوم افتحنا مدرسة فرحانين وبدنا نلعب بيها وباكر بدنا ندرس.